Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stop showing touch keyboard on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to stop showing touch keyboard on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings. And then click on devices. After that, in the left sidebar, click on typing. And now when you scroll down, you see here touch keyboard. And the last option, show the touch keyboard when not in tablet mode and there is no keyboard attached, it's on. Just click on it to turn it off. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to stop showing touch keyboard on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.